BT cotton. BT means Bacillus thuringiensis. Produce protein crystal during particular phase of their growth, which is toxic insecticidal, present as inactive protoxins. The Bacillus thuringiensis BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, was discovered in 1901 in Japan by Ishiwata and 1911 in Germany by Ernest Berliner, scientist who discovered a disease called splash shot in floor moth caterpillar. Sclaf shot in floor moth of caterpillar. Bacillus thuringiensis (BT) is a naturally occurring bone soil bacterium found in worldwide. Bacillus thuringiensis is a naturally occurring soil-borne bacterium found in the worldwide. The Bacillus thuringiensis form crystals of proteinaceous insecticidal endotoxins called crytoxins. Which are enclosed by crygenes. The crytoxins have specific activities against the species of the orders Leptoptera, moths and butterflies, Diptera, flies and mosquitoes, and Coleoptera, only butterflies. The bacteria genes introduced genetically into the cotton plants, into the cotton seeds, protects the cotton plants from different types of moths, butterflies, mosquitoes, flies. If that seeds are treated with or injected with BT cotton, BT Bacillus thuringiensis genes, protoxin released endotoxin. Endotoxin is a gut enzymes activate toxin, and the pore formation in the insects. The pore formation, cells in gut rupture, finally that insects or caterpillars are died. Here it is, the BT seeds or BT cotton seeds are planted in the plantation. They develop into plants, they containing leaves. That leaves are contains BT genes. The BT gene containing leaf parts are eaten by the caterpillar or moths or butterflies. The BT cotton genes are enter into the gut of insects or caterpillar. Before they enter into gut of caterpillar, the BT genes called cryogenes, the cryoprotein genes are in active position. When the inactive cryogenes are enter into the gut of insects, they are in active position by alkalining liquids of insects. By the alkalining liquids of insects, the inactive cryogenes are turned into active mode. By the active mode of cryogenes, the gut shows pore formation. Before the pore formation, the cryoproteins are attached with the epithelial cells of the gut of insects or caterpillar. The cryogenes mainly helps in the formation of pores in the gut of caterpillar or insects. Finally, the cry genes are entered into the body, are entered into total body of the insects. Finally, the active cry genes are damaged the total caterpillar cells. Finally, that insects are died or caterpillars are died. By this mechanism, Bt plants are selfly protected by the inserting of Bt genes. Soil-borne bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis genes inserted into the Bt cotton seeds. At age of flowering or leafing plants, they are selfly protected by the Bt cottons and Bt genes. Bt cottons are by the cry genes. At the same time, Bt brinjal, Bt toxin produced by bacteria called Bacillus thuringiensis. The Bt toxin genes has been enclosed from the bacteria, enclosed from the bacteria, and they are collected from the bacterium. They are inserted into the Bt brinjal seeds. That Bt brinjal seeds are selfly protected, means they produce resistance to insects. Resistance to insects. Bt brinjal is a biotech crop developed using of Bt biotechnology, Bt technology, to transformation procedure similar to Bt cotton. In Maharashtra, the Bt hybrid seeds company, Maharashtra hybrid seed company, leading Indian seed company, has developed new DNA construct with contain a gene sequence encoding of insecticidal proteins in all parts of brinjal plants throughout the life. It is by the selection of Bt gene from the Bacillus thuringiensis. They are inserted into Ti plasmid to form rDNA. That rDNAs are inserted into the Agrobacterium tuberculosis for the recombination. After these tumor-inducing plasmids, the plasmids containing rDNA, that rDNA is Bt gene. That Bt genes are selected from this and they are inserted into the Bt brinjal. The Bt brinjal plants are developed into plantlets. When the flowering or leafing stage, they produce protoxin. They are present in the leaf. They are enter into the insect duct, insect gut. By the eating, they produce endotoxin. That endotoxins are in active position by the alkalining agent of gut of insects. The endotoxin mainly helps in pore formation. That pore formation of gut, the cells in the gut ruptured. When finally the digestive system is collapsed of insects. Finally, the cry proteins or cry toxins are distributed total cells of the insects or caterpillar. Finally, that insects are died. So finally, the Bt brinjal plants are selfly protected, similar to the Bt cotton plants. These plants are also called transgenic plants. These plants are also called transgenic plants.